Hello, All Stars. Today is Thursday, January 20th. Let's find out what's on our calendar. Had a lot of great equations and story problems this month. What do you think it will be today? An equation or a story problem? Let's find out. Story problem. There were 30 birds in the tree. Some flew away. Now there are only 20. How many birds flew away? 30 birds in the tree. Some flew away. Now there are only 20. Let's put this on our grid. $30 minus the few that flew away is a subtraction problem. Minus something equals 20. That means we will put 30 as our big number. We don't know what this one is, so we can put a question mark there. And then we'll just keep on going over and make this one 20. It says there were 30 birds in the tree. Some flew away. Some flew away. Now there are only 20 birds. How many birds flew away? That's what we want to know. So again, we'll write out our math fact. 30 minus something equals 20. Another way to look at this is if you have this number tree, 20 plus what equals 30? Or, as we've been talking about, you could make your fact family in this case, and you'd say 30 minus 20 equals a number. Then we would say 20 plus something equals 30. Or you could even say something plus 20 equals 30. I'm going to show this to you, and I'm going to give you a chance to think about, wow, what could it be? What do we need to put here? These are all fact families from this number tree. If you had 30 and you took 20 jumps back, what number would you land on? Or another way to think about it is, how many jumps would it take to move from the number 20 to get to the number 30? Did you say 10? Wow, you're good. 10, 10, 10, and 10. $30 minus 10 equals 20. 30 minus 20 equals 10. 20 plus 10 equals 30. And 10 plus 20 equals 30. If you need to pause the video here to look at this to understand this better, please pause now. Again, we are trying to focus on solving these bigger math facts. And the more we practice these, the more comfortable you will be with them. What we are going to do now is go and add another day in school for our collection. We talked about our number of days in school, and And we have discovered now that we are on day number 84. 84. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 days in school together. So we'll change this. Make it 84. Can you think of math facts that equal the number 84? I want you to each day try to explore how you can make these equations to represent the days in school. So 84 days that we've been together. What I'd like to do now is take you to add some more coins to our collection. We've been adding them each day. Wow. Okay. Another dime. And 2 more pennies. 1, 2. Okay, so we have a nice amount here so far. Very, very good. We'll count these tomorrow, the end of the week. There is something else I'd like to do with the class right now, and this is a challenge. I do have something I want to share with you, so I want you to get ready for it, because it is going to challenge what we've been talking about. I want to change this a little bit. We have been talking about getting to the 100th day of school. And we know that we have 84 days that we have been together in school. I can pull up our grid again, but I want you to think about if we're trying to get to the number 100, and we know we have 84 days that we've been together. So 100 is our big number here. We know we have 84 days that we've been together. How much do we need to add to the number 84 to get to 100? What I'd like to do is take a moment and go back to our days in school grid. That's going to really tell us a lot of information. If we go back to that, again, we have 84 days that we've been together. I need you right now to count for me how many days do we need to continue with school to make it to the 100th day of school. What that means for you right now, I need you to pause the video and count how many boxes do not have an X in them. And that will tell us how many days. While you're doing that, I'm just going to move my arrow, and you can count if you'd like, to help us get to that number. Did you come up with a number? I think you did. That number should be 16. Did you have 16? Did you have 16? And that's what it should be. 100 minus 16 equals 84. With that information, maybe we can finish writing out the other facts for this fact family. So if we know 100 minus 16 equals 84, then 100 minus 84 would equal 16. We just did the turnaround fact. Then we're going to do the two addition facts, which is 84 plus 16 equals 100, and 16 plus 84 equals 100. Again, taking what we have been talking about to help us think of those math equations. Have a great day, All-Stars.